This assessment asks us to choose which reagent system would be best for producing the bromide shown. We can use HBr and peroxides or HBr by itself. Now, the reaction of HBr and peroxides is going to proceed through this bromine radical. And in the first step, the bromine radical is going to react with the alkene to give the most stable possible radical. We can draw that most stable radical here. So bromine adds to the primary carbon to give us the radical at this position. The reagent system of just HBr alone is going to react to make the most stable carbocation. And so we end up adding the H first. I'll draw in the H that we're adding to make the tertiary carbocation that ends up getting attacked later on by the bromide ion. Since both of these reactions are forming the most stable intermediate, a radical versus a cation, we have to look at where the bromine adds in each case. In the case of the radical, the bromine formed at the primary, or the less substituted carbon. The bromide will eventually form here at the tertiary. Our product has the bromide at the tertiary carbon. Therefore, the reagent system we need to use here is just HBr.